Hi, here at Sterling State Bank, we've funded over $30 million in Paycheck Protection Program loans for our customers. The question they keep coming to us with is, what do they do once they get the funds? Very quickly, we tell them, set up a separate checking account, or at the very minimum, a separate ledger that shows at the very top the amount of loan funds they've received and all the expenses that have come out. Now, the only thing that you're allowed to spend, the only things that you're allowed to spend these funds are in 4 categories: payroll expenses, mortgage interest, rent, and utilities. So in your separate account or in your ledger, you're going to show the money in from the loan funds, and the money out will only be in one of those 4 items, in one of those 4 categories. From the time you get the loan funds for an 8-week period, that's when you have the opportunity to use the funds in those 4 categories and account for it, so that you can provide that to the SBA and they will decide how much of your loan is forgiven. So it's very important that it's very clear accounting. But no, once those funds are forgiven, the remaining funds still can only be used in those categories. So you want to continue making sure that you're accounting for that properly. There's going to be more and more information coming out on how the funds can be used properly, what you need to do in terms of retaining or hiring back employees, but the exact guidance on that is not out right now. Ideally, the government wants you, if you had 10 employees, to retain 10 employees. If you had 10 employees and you've laid off 5 of them, that you would actually hire back those 5 so that now you are back to your 10 employees through this whole 8-week period. It's difficult to understand as a business operator, but this is how you're going to get the maximum loan forgiveness, by getting your payroll back to the average monthly amount that it was over the 12 months before your loan. As more guidance comes out, we'll give you more information, we'll produce more videos, and thank you for joining us, and thank you to our customers who have trusted us with their application for this program.